Okay, so when we're going to be working with quadratics some more today. And so there are three forms of a quadratic, but we're going to specifically only look at two of the forms today. We're going to look at standard form and then factored form. Okay, so standard form, the way we write standard form generally is it follows this model. It's always in this: ax squared plus bx plus c. An example of factored or standard form, would be like x squared plus 8x plus 16. Okay, so this would be an example of standard form where a is 1, b is 8, and c is 16. Now, another example of standard form, I'll come back to factored form in a second. Okay, another example would be like x squared minus 8x plus 16. And so in this case, a is 1, b is negative 8, and then my c is 16. Okay, so in this one, a is 1, b is 8, and c is 16. Okay, so the minus sign tells me that's negative 8. Okay, so now factored form. Okay, factored form is always with these parentheses. So like an example would be x plus 4, x plus 4. Okay, now this tells me something specific about the quadratic, while my standard form also tells me something specific about a quadratic. Okay, in this next activity, you're going to be looking at standard form, factored form, and identifying two specific things about a quadratic and seeing which one of these tells you information specifically about the quadratic. One will tell you something about the y-intercept, and something's going to tell you about the x-intercept.